Mac-S91 here. I'd like to introduce you to an interesting little program called Bionix RainDrop Animator. What this program does is it takes a wallpaper of your choosing and animates raindrop ripples over it and your mouse cursor. But before I show you the animation, allow me to talk about the program itself. We have an About tab, Updater tab, Settings tab, Rain Shelter tab, I'll talk about this in a bit, and the main Rain tab. Inside the Rain tab we have a folder icon. Clicking on it will allow you to choose your wallpaper directory. The button next to it opens your chosen directory in Windows Explorer. We have the wallpaper list, refresh and edit buttons. Now, pressing delete on your chosen wallpaper gives you the option of deleting the file to the recycle bin. The refresh button reloads your wallpaper directory. The edit button opens your chosen wallpaper in MS Paint for editing. Now then, double click on your chosen wallpaper to start the animation. Here we have varying levels of intensity. Sunny today turns the animation off. Light rain. It's raining. Let it pour. Big storm. And flood. The flood is the most intense setting. Here we have rain over wallpaper. Unticking this plays the animation inside the program. This is a preview of sorts. Now let us enjoy the animation for a bit. Okay. Moving on. Rain shelter. The program will only let droplets fall in the area specified by you with pink color. These are the instructions on how to use the rain shelter feature. Please pause the video right now and read them, since I will not be explaining any part. If you close the program, the wallpaper will revert, as you see. Now then. Let's start coloring. This should be enough. Now then, let's test the rain shelter feature. Rain shelter file detected. Good. Pretty neat. Well, I suppose that's that.